Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've got another Amazon / AliExpress haul. Excuse my nails, I've took my nails off, give myself a really good well needed manicure, and I've just stuck some cute little gel polish on because I don't like to see them with nothing on. This is holographic, this, but I don't think the camera will pick it up very well. Yeah, it's very pretty. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to start with AliExpress, shall we? Right, firstly, off AliExpress, I've got myself some builder gels. I've been wanting to try, not builder gels, builder in a bottle. I've been wanting to try builder in a bottle for a long time, and I thought I'm going to try some. So I've got 5 colours. I'll quickly show you. I'm going to do separate swatch videos on all these. I can't remember what the colours are. Oh, right. A326. Right, so this one is just white. Very, very thick and sticky. But that's what builder in a bottle is, isn't it? So that one's just white. And then this one, A323, this one's just called pink. So there's that one. Oh, that's a very pretty colour. Bit of a purpley pink, that one, isn't it? But I really like it. That's a very pretty colour. And then this one, A322, is called Opal. So I'm thinking that this is their milky white, because it does look white, but it looks like a sheerer white. So I think Opal is their version of a milky white. I'm hoping so, because that's why I bought it. I wanted a milky white. This one, A325, is deep nude. This is a pretty colour. It's a really deep pink. I wouldn't really say it's a deep nude, but yeah, very pretty colour. I like that. Yeah, I've never done a set of nails using builder in a bottle, so I can't wait. And this one, A321, is just their clear. Had to have a clear, so that's that one. I think this clear will come in handy for encapsulating glitters and stuff. Instead of doing 2 or 3 layers of top coat, I waste so much top coat when this will do the trick, I think. So there's them builder in a bottle. Sorry as well, they're Rosalind. They're glass bottles and they are 15ml. So yeah, they was off AliExpress. Lots of colours. They've got so many colours. They've got rainbow colours, which I really liked the look of. So if I get on alright with these, I might get some rainbow colours for summer. Right, also from AliExpress, I've got some gorgeous, gorgeous glitters. Let me get these out of the pack. Right, look at these guys, they're beautiful. I'll show you these two together. They're both white, but this one's white with a pink iridescent shift, and that one's the same but with a kind of bluey purple iridescent shift. They're absolutely beautiful. They've got a fine glitter in there as well. It's like a mixed hex. They are so much prettier in real life, you just can't see them. And then there's these two, orange and then a deeper orange. Again, they're iridescent. Beautiful, beautiful glitters. Oh, I love them. I love them. And then there's these 3 that are pinky ones. Them 2 are very similar. In fact, they look the same on camera, but this one's slightly darker off camera. And then there's this one. They are so, so pretty. I love all of these. Then there's 2 purple ones. Oh, look at that one. That one almost looks chameleon, doesn't it? These are so pretty. So pretty. And then the last 3, we've got a green, a blue and a yellow. Look at that yellow. Really, really like all of these. These would be really nice for spring and Easter time, won't they? Right, what else did I get from AliExpress? I think that's it for AliExpress. Alright, yeah. I grabbed myself some more of these. These are just practice tips. They're all the same size. They're not the kind of tips you can put on your hands. These are really, really hard plastic. They don't bend, but they're brilliant for swatching or just practicing. Yeah, so I always like to have a pack of them lying around. So I got them. Alright, also from AliExpress, I got myself another drill bit. I haven't actually got one of these. This is a small flame medium bit. I've got a couple of these in metal, but I haven't got one in ceramic, so I wanted to try one of them, you know, for around my cuticle areas. So yeah, I got one of those. Right, everything else now is from Amazon. I'll show you what I've bought myself, because I've got a couple of items that I've got for review. Right, I bought myself, this was an absolute bargain. These are stiletto swatch sticks. I normally use, where are they? When I'm swatching gel polish, I normally use these little short ones. But I've got quite a lot of Polygel I need to swatch at the minute, and I just love how Polygel swatches look on these stilettos. So there's 50 in a pack, and I've got 4 packs, so that's 200 stiletto swatch sticks for $6.99 I paid off Amazon. So I thought that was a real bargain, $6.99 for 200, because I think I normally pay $3.99 for 50. So yeah, that was a real bargain. And yeah, I want to start swatching my Polygels on these stiletto swatch sticks. So yeah, I just think they look so much better. Right, and tips, I've got myself 500 tips, and it came with these, look, little snippers. These are just the full cover tips, like coffin shape, can you see? Just like coffin shape. And this pack as well, it comes with 2 bags of size 5 and 2 bags of size 4, which I thought was brilliant, because I always run out of size 5s and 4s before anything else. So yeah, I got those. Right, and also sticking with tips, I've got myself my usual, these are my usual tips that I use on my flexi hand, this shape tips, just the long stilettos. I've got myself another bag of them. So there's 500 in that bag as well. Let's move some of this out the way. Right, and I've also got myself, look at all these guys. Now there's 18 in here. I'll just take one out to show you. 18 chrome powders, all different colour chrome powders, and they all come with, each one comes with an eyeshadow applicator, all different colours, 18, and I paid $12.99 for them. 18, and I've already opened one to have a look. There's quite a lot in them. I was expecting them to just have a little dot of chrome powder in, but no, there's a lot in them, so I'm really impressed. I thought that was a bargain for 18 for $12.99. Real bargain that was. Right, and what I've got to review this week so far. Right, I got these stickers. I've never seen anything like them. They are, oh look at the little cute file it comes with as well. They are like, they are stickers, but look, they're like jelly. They're quite see-through, can you see? And they've got like shards, flower, even the flowers are see-through, look. And then it's got like little gems here. I thought these were so cool and unique, like look at this one. And then we've got this one, again these are like jelly. They'd look so cool on a transparent nail. So there's them ones, I've never seen anything like these. And look at these ones, brilliant for Easter. We've got the little chick with the party hat, fried egg. I think they're going to be really cute for an Easter set. And the other ones, these are all Christmas ones I'll have to put away for next year. And they're all jelly-like. They are so cool. Look at this one. How nice are they? They're like a really dark navy blue, but they're still kind of see-through. They are so cool. Even this one's see-through. I just thought they were really unique. I can't wait to give these a go next year. Oh, look at them ones. They're so cool. Yeah, so I've got them to review. I'm sorry if you can hear crashing and banging in the background. I've got decorating going on again. And yeah, it's noisy. Right, I've also got, I don't know if any of you remember the Paramis gel polishes that I got to review a couple of weeks ago. This is their top coat, base coat and matte top coat. And I really enjoyed using the gel polishes, so hopefully these will impress me as well. So that's the matte top coat, base coat and no wipe top coat. So I'm curious to see what they're going to be like, because I really enjoyed their gel polish. That's the brand there, Paramis. Yeah, so I can't wait to see what they're like. Right, and I've also got, this is so cool, guys. Look at this. It's a teeny weeny little tiny e-file. Look at this, it's crazy. Let me get it out for you. Right, let me plug it in. Oh, right, so you press it once for forward, and you press it again for reverse, and then that turns it off. But look at the end, guys. It's got a little light in it, so you can see what you're doing. My lights are very bright, but look, it's got lights in the end of it. How cute is that? It's like a pen. It's quite loud, actually. I don't know what RPMs it is. I think it's only something like 10,000 or 15,000 RPM. But that'd be brilliant if you was going away on holiday or something. I just thought that was really, really cute. Different. I've never seen anything like it ever. Right, and what I've also got to review this week off my Amazon Vine. Let me move all this away because I am so excited to try this. Let me move all this out the way. Right, first I've got this. This is from this brand, Moravan. They've just started bringing out like luxury kits. They've still got some of their budget kind of kits, but they've brought out this luxury collection, and this one is a builder gel, hard gel nail art manicure kit. Look at that packaging, it's beautiful. And this one comes with, I'm going to quickly show you because again I'll do a separate video on this. Teeny weeny tiny nail forms. It comes with a brush, it's got your nail file and buffer. It comes with a base coat and top coat. Oh, it's got one of them little cute gel brushes. It's got X-Strength primer and nail prep dehydrator. Really, really high-end kind of products, these. Look, that's the look I think they're going for anyway, but... And it's got all these little packs of gems. That one's gold leaf. And then there's this one, look at the colours in there. And then this one's got all little gold leaves and stuff in it. Little pearls and flowers. And the actual hard gel is clear. And it's a 2-ounce pot, 2-ounce tub. It's huge. So I can't wait to give that a try. Right, and also from this same brand, I've got 2 Polygel kits. I'm not going to be able to fit the other one under the camera, but there's this one. And I think this is one of them more budget kind of kits. Some of you might have already seen these kind of kits. It's this one with the face on the front, look. This one comes with 10 polygels. And then downstairs, it's got a couple of slip solutions, dual forms, a buffer and a brush, your top and base. So that's all this one comes with. Just your usual stuff. And again, I'll do a separate video on that. And this one, I really can't fit it under the camera, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's got all magnetic box around it. I will put a picture up on the screen of this because it's absolutely stunning. And it comes with all sorts. This, hands down, is the nicest, most luxurious polygel kit I have ever seen. The stuff this kit comes with is crazy. I'm just going to quickly go through it because I'll do a separate video on this altogether. Look at the ombre on this stitching. Look at this, guys. Look at all these tools. It's even got pinchers. I see a lot of polygel kits coming with your scraper and stuff like that. I can't get it out. Look, it's got some really good pinchers. So they're to pinch your nails in. Absolutely beautiful. All them tools. It's got striping tape, your brush, slip solution, cuticle oil. Right, look how everything's packaged. I'm not going to open everything. It's got your jewel forms in this little package. And then we've got another package that says nail cleaner, special cleaning. This one is full of rhinestones and glitter nail art. Look at this packaging, guys. It is so pretty. It's beautiful. Nail prep and foundation gel set in that one. Even the nail file is branded. Pink nail file. And then in this one is 8 colours of polygel. It's absolutely beautiful, all this. And it's also got a nail lamp, Sun One nail lamp, which is a 48 watt as well, so it's a really good wattage. It's not just a little 6 watt or a 9 watt. Yeah, it's 48 watt. Absolutely beautiful polygel kit. I've never seen one like it. I really haven't. But I will do another video on that so we can have a really good look at it. So yeah, just a sneak peek of a couple of things I've got coming up. I can't wait to get some of these polygels swatched. They look beautiful. But anyway, guys, that's going to have to be it for today. The video's longer than I wanted it to be, as it is. So I'm going to leave it there. Yeah, that's it. I'll leave as many links below as I possibly can. If I do miss any links off, just ask me and I'll grab them for you. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.